Milan is famous for fashion and shopping, but there's so much more to this city than designer labels. In this video, we'll go beyond the glamorous storefronts to uncover Milan's hidden history, cultural treasures, and the everyday life that makes this city truly unique. If you love exploring cities with depth and character, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel insights. Milan is often labeled the fashion capital of the world, a playground for luxury brands, stylish boutiques, and high-end shopping districts. And while that reputation is well-deserved, reducing Milan to just fashion overlooks the city's deeper identity. Milan is Italy's beating economic heart, a hub of culture, art, innovation, and history. It's a city where medieval cathedrals stand alongside glass skyscrapers, and where Renaissance masterpieces coexist with cutting-edge design. To truly understand Milan, you need to look beyond the catwalks and shopping bags. Let's count down from 10 to 1 to reveal the Milan that tourists often miss. Point 10. The Duomo, more than just a landmark. At the center of Milan lies the majestic Duomo di Milano, one of the largest cathedrals in the world. Its spires and statues stretch toward the heavens, a Gothic masterpiece that took nearly 6 centuries to complete. But beyond its stunning facade lies its true secret: climbing to the rooftop. Standing among the marble spires, with the entire city spread beneath you, Milan feels alive in a way few monuments can offer. It's not just a church, it's a testament to Milan's resilience, ambition, and its role as a crossroads of Europe. Point 9. The Last Supper, art that redefines humanity. Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper, hidden inside the convent of Santa Maria del Grazie, is one of the world's most famous paintings. But to see it, you must plan carefully. Tickets are limited, and viewing times are strictly controlled. Standing before this fragile masterpiece, you realize it's not just a painting, but a glimpse into the genius of Leonardo, who transformed a simple biblical scene into an eternal study of human emotion. Milan's artistic treasures may not be as plentiful as Florence's, but The Last Supper alone makes the city a global cultural capital. Point 8. Navigli, canals and nightlife. When people think of canals, Venice often comes to mind. But Milan has its own network of waterways designed in part by Leonardo da Vinci himself. Today, the Navigli district is one of the city's liveliest areas, lined with bars, restaurants, and art studios. By day, it's a place to stroll along the water, exploring quirky galleries and artisan shops. By night, it transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife, where aperitivo culture, Milan's beloved pre-dinner drinks with snacks, comes alive. The Navigli prove Milan is more than business suits and shopping bags. It's also about fun, flavor, and community. Point 7. La Scala, the stage of legends. Teatro alla Scala is one of the world's most prestigious opera houses, where Verdi, Puccini, and countless other greats once premiered their masterpieces. While many tourists walk past its understated exterior without realizing its significance, inside lies a world of velvet seats, golden balconies, and history-soaked acoustics. Attending a performance here isn't just entertainment. It's stepping into the heart of Italy's musical legacy. Even if you're not an opera fan, visiting the La Scala Museum reveals how Milan shaped the world of music and performance. Point 6. Milan's modern face, skyscrapers, and innovation. Unlike many Italian cities that live almost entirely in the past, Milan embraces the future. Districts like Porta Nuova showcase gleaming skyscrapers, futuristic designs, and green architecture, such as the iconic Bosco Verticale, residential towers covered with thousands of trees. This modern side of Milan reflects its role as Italy's economic engine, a city constantly reinventing itself. Here, Milan feels more like New York or Tokyo than traditional Italy, and that duality is part of its charm. Point 5. Football fever, the spirit of Milan. Milan is home to two of the world's most legendary football clubs, AC Milan and Inter Milan. The San Siro Stadium is more than a sports venue. It's a temple of passion where fans come alive with chants, flags, and unshakable loyalty. Football is not just a pastime here. It's part of the city's identity. To experience Milan fully, you don't have to be a sports fanatic. Just attending a match immerses you in a side of the city that is raw, emotional, and unforgettable. Point 4. Milanese cuisine. More than pizza and pasta, Milan's food culture has its own distinct flavor. Unlike southern Italian cuisine, Milanese dishes are hearty, rich, and often influenced by its northern climate. Risotto alla Milanese, infused with saffron, is a golden masterpiece in itself. Cotoletta alla Milanese, a breaded veal cutlet, is another classic that locals cherish. And of course, Milan is home to panettone, the sweet bread enjoyed during Christmas worldwide. Eating in Milan reveals a very different side of Italian gastronomy, one rooted in tradition, comfort, and refinement. Point 3. Fashion, the beating heart of style. We can't ignore it. Fashion is Milan's international signature. The Quadrilatero della Moda is lined with flagship stores from Gucci, Prada, and Versace, while Milan Fashion Week attracts designers, celebrities, and media from around the world. Yet beyond the luxury, Milan's fashion culture is also about craftsmanship, tailoring, and self-expression. Even if you don't step into a boutique, simply watching Milanese locals stroll the streets feels like a style show in itself. Fashion here isn't superficial. It's woven into the city's identity, symbolizing its creativity and global influence. Point 2. The contrasts of Milan old meets new. One of Milan's most fascinating truths is how it balances extremes. You can leave a medieval church and, within minutes, find yourself in a glass and steel district. You can sip espresso in a centuries-old cafe in the morning, then attend a digital innovation conference in the afternoon. Unlike Rome or Florence, which lean heavily on their history, Milan thrives in the balance of past and present. This contrast is what makes the city feel dynamic, alive, and endlessly evolving. Point 1. Milan's true identity, a city of layers. At the top of the list, the greatest truth about Milan is that it cannot be defined by a single image. It's not just fashion. It's not just business. It's not just history. Milan is a city of layers, cathedrals and skyscrapers, football chants and opera arias, risotto and panettone, luxury and simplicity. This magic lies in this complexity. To truly experience Milan, you must look beyond the shopping windows and embrace the contradictions that make it real. Milan is Italy's city of the future, built firmly on the foundations of its past. Milan is often misunderstood, dismissed as a place for fashionistas and business travelers. But the truth is, Milan is one of Europe's most multifaceted cities, offering art, history, food, sport, and innovation alongside its haute couture. To explore Milan is to uncover a city where creativity meets ambition, where tradition meets modernity, and where every street tells a different story. Step beyond the shopping malls, and you'll discover the Milan that locals know, the Milan that truly defines Italy's north. Milan is a city of contrasts. Modern style on the surface, timeless history underneath. If this guide gave you a new perspective on Milan beyond fashion and shopping, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more authentic travel stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.